have the latest OnePlus device, the flagship OnePlus 11R 5G with the flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Most importantly, we are hoping that the OnePlus 11R does not fail the build quality test like the OnePlus 11 5G. It failed with glass shatter because of its weak, improper build and faulty design issues. Again, it's great to see the free case inside the box. In fact, the case of the OnePlus 11 also fits the 11R perfectly. This is because the size of both phones is almost same with just a few millimeter difference in length and breadth, with the 11R being slightly bigger. Also, the design is the same as OnePlus 11. Premium looks and great feel in the hands due to the slightly curved SuperVOOC display at the sides. Though there is a vital difference between the two, with the OnePlus 11R having that frosted glass finish, which unfortunately on our channel has never passed a scratch test till date. The weight is pretty comfortable at 204 grams compared to the 105 grams of the OnePlus 11, and much like the 11 which broke, the 11R also feels strong in my usual trial bend. And lastly, the 100 watts SuperVOOC fast charger inside the box. But the absence of the USB to 3.5mm converter is definitely felt since there is no headphone jack on the 11R. At the top center is a 15.93 megapixel selfie camera with a CMOS sensor and DIS. On the rear unit is a primary 50.12 megapixel flagship Sony IMX890 CMOS BSI sensor, an 84.8 degree field of view with both OIS and DIS, an 8 megapixel ultra wide second camera with the OmniVision OV08D10 sensor, and a third 2 megapixel macro camera with OmniVision OV02B10 sensor. As mentioned earlier, we are actually nervous about the scratch resistance quality at the frosted glass back due to it failing each and every time on every mid-ranger and flagships we have tested so far, including Samsung and Xiaomi. On top of that, the type of tempered glass protection used on both sides are not disclosed by OnePlus. Traditionally, the devices which have failed on the channel is due to poor quality glass protection as compared to high quality ones from Corning. We are hoping the unnamed glass at the front and the frosted glass at the back are able to survive the scratch abuses. The horrific scratching noises from the frosted back was sounding like the back glass was surely getting damaged. But in spite of that, it's a relief that the OnePlus 11R passes a scratch test even without Corning protection. Next, the drop test. Frankly speaking, looking at this beautiful curved screen with no Corning glass protection, it actually feels scary that the beautiful flagship is going to break. It kind of looks delicate and unable to survive multiple drops on a hard surface. A total of 6 drops from 4 different angles, 2 low drops followed by 4 high drops. We are hoping the OnePlus 11R doesn't shatter and fail like the flagship Mi 11 Ultra and many others after that. As expected, especially of a flagship or any other phone, the OnePlus 11R is fine after 2 low drops. Next, first high drop on the bottom middle side. Not the best start to the high drop test. A prominent scuff mark and some disfiguration at the left edge towards the back. Next, second high drop on the metal top side. This time no signs of any damage like the first. Next, 2 ranger drops on either side, third high drop on the camera unit and frosted glass back. The fourth drop you have been waiting for. Will the fluid AMOLED and the unnamed tempered glass protection survive the high drop impact? No visible signs of any damage or breakage at first sight on the AMOLED or the protection, the camera unit and frosted back glass. Thankfully, the OnePlus 11R passes a drop test without any major issues. Next, let's get on with fun stuff with value, the bend test, to check for any build quality issues or structural weakness of the design or midframe. Let's hope it doesn't break like the OnePlus 11. A huge amount of bend and curve, especially at the base of the camera unit, getting separated from the frosted glass, somehow not snapping in half like the OnePlus 10 Pro. Again, a big degree of flex with pressure from the back, but the glass does not crack like spider webs as the OnePlus 11. Moving on. It's weird that with almost the same design, the OnePlus 11 breaks without much force, but the 11R survives the bend pressure. OnePlus must have tweaked the internal design quite a bit. Huge relief that the OnePlus 11R passes the bend test unlike the 11.